Okay, so on this video, continue from where I stopped on my previous video, we are going to be debugging this page adoption page. Let me refresh this page to what we are going to have now. Okay, so we are going to be, by debugging, we are going to spot codes that are written wrongly and correct them, and whatever thing we also okay. Um, so first of all, where for this page, let's say the owner of the page is Sally. So Sally, a pet adoption store owner, has built her first web page, but there are some issues, and this issue is our job is to fix all the errors so Sally can continue building her page. Now if you come over to the code from line 49 is where we have the code Sally has written. We first of all have to go line by line. If we are debugging, we don't just randomly pick any line to debug, we go line by line so we know the issue. Is the h1 tag written here on line 1? Yeah, we see that the h1 tag is the opening tag and the closing tag here are written well, so this we don't have any issue with that. We will come over to the p tag. The p tag, which is the paragraph tag, is also written well, as you can see here. This is the p opening and it also has a closing tag there. We go over to the h2 tag, which often acts as a subheader, and this is also written well. And we go over to the image tag. Now if you remember, I think the image tag on line 53, remember that my previous video I said that for the image tag you must have your source so your image can appear. But for using, if you use href is for links, not for image. So you have to change this to src, which is the source. And let's scroll to see if there's any other mistake. Okay, this alternative describing the image isn't att, it is alt. Let's scroll in case there's any other thing we are missing on the image tag. So it is not, let's see, it's not compulsory to close your image tag. It's not compulsory to close your image tag. Okay, so if you go over to the next line, which is line 55, we have adopt a cat written with the h2 elements, and the opening tag and the closing tag of the h2 has been written properly. And we also have the a tag, which acts as the a tag. If you remember in my previous video I said that the a tag is often used to show links on the website. So the a tag does not come with sources, but it comes with the href. It comes with the href attributes, and it does not, you have to use, okay, yeah, we have to use for the for the we have to use a link here. So we just say facebook.com here and change this to visit Facebook. And if you come over to the next line, which is, I think I've corrected everything here on line 56. If you come over to line 58, you will see everything has been written properly. For line 59, it has almost the same issue. This isn't supposed to be a source attribute, it's supposed to be an href attribute written there. So we'll change that and we refresh our page and see the changes and corrections we have made. So our image appears properly and our link is clickable. So if I click this, it will redirect me to facebook.com. Yeah, so we have corrected any bug. So now this code we have from line 49 to line 59 is totally bug free. So if you have any question, do well to ask in the comment section. If not, leave a follow or a like or subscribe.